other top story tonight, Scripps Health is postponing some procedures due to a surge in COVID-19 cases.
Now, we saw this at the beginning of the pandemic. Staffing shortages force hospitals to reschedule non-emergency services. News 8's LaMonica Peters talked to the CEO of Scripps about making the tough decision once again.
Right now, most of the country is experiencing a surge in COVID-19 cases. And in San Diego, Scripps says that the pandemic is once again stretching its hospital staff to the limit.
We're all tired of COVID, but I got to tell you, the people in healthcare are really tired of COVID and fatigue.
Scripps Health says they currently have over 1,300 full-time and part-time positions to fill. Before the pandemic in 2019, they had just over 800 jobs available, but they were still fully functioning. Now its president and CEO says some people have just decided they don't want to work in healthcare anymore.
This nurse had spent 10 years in the military, and she said in the entire time she was in the military healthcare, she'd never seen anything as bad as the pandemic. So, you know, it takes a toll on these healthcare workers.
Van Gorder says on June 15th, the day California ended its mask requirements, Scripps Health had 13 patients being treated for COVID-19. Today, there are 173 patients hospitalized for coronavirus at its 5 Scripps locations. News 8 also reached out to Kaiser Permanente about their staffing levels, and they said in part, "At the emergence of COVID-19, we revised our pandemic response plans to make sure our facilities and staff were ready to safely and expertly treat a surge of patients with COVID-19. As a result, Kaiser Permanente San Diego remains appropriately staffed and operational to provide care." Scripps says they're also seeing many patients in need of care that was delayed during the pandemic, which is creating an even greater demand for services. So as coronavirus cases continue to climb, it'll have to delay some medical procedures temporarily when it's safe to do so and focus on immediate time-sensitive hospital care like COVID-19 cases and other emergencies.
Help us help you. Get a vaccination, and even if you're vaccinated right now, wear a mask.
We reached out to UCSD Medical Center as well, and they say right now they are not having an issue with staffing or capacity.